Jury selection is set to begin on Monday in a horrific case that shocked the nation and shattered the tight-knit community of Delphi, Indiana. Teens Abby Williams and Libby German were brutally murdered back in 2017. Now, 5 years later, Richard Allen, a Delphi local, was charged with their killings. As the trial finally gets underway, residents of the small Indiana town are hoping to finally get some answers. NewsNation's Caitlyn Becker joining us now. Caitlyn, 5 years later, what can we expect?
We have jury selection, Hena. It has been a long time coming here. This case has gone cold twice. 2017, it was cold. 2019, it was cold. It's a protracted legal battle. So now that we're finally getting to jury selection, it really says something about potentially getting justice for these two young girls. We begin with jury selection. It's expected to last about 3 days. And then we're going to roll into this trial, which we expect to last a month. And we already have an idea about what Richard Allen's defense is going to be. It's very likely that his team is going to enter a third-party defense because throughout this process, they've essentially said that the killings were part of a ritualistic pagan cult. That's their defense, and we expect that to be brought up at trial and then for them to introduce a potential third party as being the person that they say did it.
Caitlyn, like you mentioned, 5 years later, this has taken a while. How did we get here? Take us to the beginning.
These two girls were off from school in February. It was a beautiful, oddly warm day, February 13th in 2017. They were off from school. They went on a hike. This was the last time that they were seen alive. They were reported missing that day, and their bodies were found off they call it Menon Bridge, but it's really just kind of an abandoned railroad tracks in this sort of scenic area of Delphi, Indiana. Their bodies were found there. We don't know a lot of details about how the bodies were found and how the girls died. Police kept that under wraps, and as I said, this case has gone cold multiple times, eventually leading to the arrest of Richard Allen. Now, this is something the true crime community has been obsessed with because initially police released sketches and they released really grainy photos that were taken from one of the girls' Snapchat stories of the person they believed killed them. Then 2 years later, they released an audio recording from that video where they took the screen grabs of the man saying, "Okay, girls, down the hill," and you hear one of the girls say gun. They believe this man to be Richard Allen. Now, a bullet casing, not a casing, an unspent round was found in between the girl's body, and that bullet was connected to Richard Allen. Prosecutors say it was cycled through a gun belonging to him, but it was unspent. We don't know if the girls were in fact shot, but we are told by police that the crime scene was very bloody.
All right. I know you'll keep us posted on this court case. Before I let you go, I understand you're also following another mystery, this time out of Las Vegas.
Yep, there is a murder mystery out of Las Vegas, and the Las Vegas Police Department is asking for the public's help because they do not have any leads. On October 3rd, around 4 a.m., a body of a woman was found deceased inside of a piece of luggage near an apartment complex off of where Harry Reid Airport is. Now, they identified her as Kristen Avila, that's her right there, 46 years old. We don't have details about how she died, but it doesn't seem that the police have any leads right now. And what they're asking for is any information about her whereabouts prior to her death and anything that potentially could connect them to her killer because they are investigating this as a homicide.
All right, Caitlyn Becker, a lot of tough stories. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.